Hi, my name's Adam Duff. I'm the parts manager here at the Bane-Welker Remington location. Today we're going to talk about grain header and Draper header preparedness for seasons. At home, we want to look at our guards really close. The key to a good cut is having a sharp guard and a sharp section, so we're not tearing the crop, we're actually cutting the crop. On your guards, you'll see on the edge, you'll have a ledger plate that'll get worn and cause a not so clean cut. And the back plate where the knife rides gets worn and doesn't keep the knife true running. Another thing we want to look at is our poly skid plates. There's many different types that go on underneath the head. This particular one goes right in the center of your Draper head. Your FD75s, FD1s, FD2s are all relatively the same concept. We want to make sure that they are not ripped through or worn through, so our header will slide across the ground. The last key point that we need to remember is changing our oil and filter. All of our locations keep a wide stock of the filters, and we recommend that we run a Case IH 1540 oil in those Draper heads, or grease on your older Case IH heads. With that being said, all of our locations are stocked and ready to go, so come see your local dealer today to get what you need.